Hi, I'm Buffalo Bill here in North Platte, ready to play a cornhole tournament. All right, Shane, let's see what we got here. You gotta bring it right back and way up in there. All right, boys, looks like we got a tough lineup in this tournament. We got the Roadway Twins. All right, Paul, let's see what you got. Okay. All right, hang on, foul. We got Hammer and Jack. That was just the worst lead up I've ever seen. We got Jim and Bean. Line up right here. You gotta get the leg nice and wide. See that? And we got Jack and Jill. Think we can handle that? We got those long pendulum arms. Pendulum. They're pendulums, Paul. And that's why Cornhole in North Platte gets Buffalo Bills Buffalo of approval. That's the best throw you've done all day. All right, we're on to something now.